So I just woke up again. It's 6:44 in the morning. Don't scratch your boobs on camera. So I just woke up again, and I was having like dreams within dreams in this last one. Like I literally just fucking recorded myself talking on the camera, telling my dream, and then I woke up like, oh, I gotta do that again now. Dreams within dreams, and now I can't remember the first dream that I had because like I already recorded myself telling the dream. But hopefully when I tell this part, then I'll remember what it was. Shit, that sucks. uh, so in the part of the dream where I was recording it, I was like with a bunch of soldiers, and God, it's so confusing to even like try and like put this together because like, okay, we had obviously been like, we were like sleeping somewhere, and I woke up and I was like, they were watching a movie, and I was like, dude, you guys, it's only like 6:30 in the morning, and you guys are being all loud watching a movie. And I was like, whatever, you're gonna have to just, I'm gonna record my dream right now, so you have to like sit close to the TV or something to hear it. And I can't remember what the dream was that I said on the camera. Um, God, I remember. Oh yeah, there was one where like we were on a train, and we were going to some kind of work down in southern Washington, and so I remember like signs and stuff that were like, obviously we were in Washington, and then the train went past this like huge field of drones, um and I've never actually seen one of those like airplane drones in person. It's weird to be like recording this again and saying the same things. What the hell? So, yeah, so in the dream, I was like, we were going past the field of drones, and I was like, holy shit, because it was intimidating to see so many of them. They're like the big airplane drones, and then for some reason I had a baby, and it was with me on the train, and it was really cute. Like everyone was really excited, wanted to like play with the baby, all the soldiers and stuff. And this like goth chick that I used to know who wasn't in the military was there, sitting next to me. Dang, I wish I could remember the first dream. But anyway, I woke up from that dream and I was like still in a dream, but I thought I was awake. And so, yeah, I started recording this, and I remember like it was kind of funny because while I was recording, like the soldiers were like walking through the background, like interrupting the recording, like bombing the video kind of thing. And like, I was talking and they were like interacting with me about the things that I was saying. Um, because like one of the first dreams they were playing goth music, and I was like, oh wait, you guys actually have good taste in music. And so then I like woke up inside of the dream and recorded that part, and so they were like, I feel like I just sound dumb right now because it was all so many. It was like a dream within a dream within a dream. I don't even know what's going on right now. I still can't remember that first dream. If I remember it later, I'll like come back in. That's so dumb. Like, I literally, the first dream that I had that I can't remember now, I already recorded myself. It's like my brain didn't want me to remember it, so it had me go ahead and record it while I was still dreaming so that I would like wake up and forget it. I don't know what that is. Anyway, it was time to make coffee and go see the birds. One of the guys that was like talking about lucid. Oh yeah, I remember like I started lucid dreaming at one point, but then like maybe that's what happened. Like, because I started lucid dreaming and like I thought I was like I'm in a dream, but then I like woke up and thought I was actually awake. That was a trip. A trip and a trip. Anyway, the guy in the video that I watched last night that gave me the idea to start recording my dreams like this isn't what he was doing. He was like writing his dreams down. But I was like, huh, that would be smart to just sit and do a video. He was saying that I should like wake up in the middle, like set an alarm and wake up in the middle of the night. And I was like, hell no, I ain't gonna do that. I don't want to wake up to an alarm. But I woke up this time because the birds are outside calling for me. Because that's what, when they wake up in the morning, they come and get me. So I have like a special bird alarm every morning. And it's cute because like, otherwise I would hate waking up and being in this world, but it's so precious how like they always want me to come and hang out with them in the morning. First thing, like the first thing they wake up and they're like, let's go see Ganesh. So it's pretty cool. Oh, I'm still tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and wake up, make my coffee. Hopefully I'll remember that other dream that I had later.